I'm going to show you guys how to make some really cool, different kind of tassels. It's not hard, so you just got to take, when fabric is threaded, it's always threaded with strings going across the other set of strings woven through, of course. So some fabrics you cannot do this because I've tried it before, but with a heavy fabric like this, it works quite well. And you can just take and pull off all your cross threads like this. And as they come out, one at a time, get these ones off at this end. As they come apart, you end up with little tassels at this one end. And we just continue doing this until we get tassels as long as we want them. So I've gotten this about, I don't know, these are a couple inches long now. And I've got this quite a bit blown up so you can see what I'm doing. If you look here careful, there is weaving going across this way. I'm pulling these threads out here, unweaving the fabric, and then removing the threads, the cross threads, building the tassel part. So what I did was I folded it along here and ironed it right here, and then I zigzagged a narrow stitch all around the end here. And if you don't want to sew these, you can put a little dab of glue all along one edge and then just carefully fold it over. Be a little bit, it is hot, so don't. Okay, just fold the edge over like that so it's neat and tidy. Finish it up over here. Okay. Now same this end, same way. Okay. So now we're going to roll it up, and what we need to do is we need to have the hanger. So here's just some of the thread that I had taken out of the tassels. I'm going to tie those. I've got, I think there's, I'm in here, 3 of them. I just wrap them up like that, tie them in a knot. To get my hanger. Cut my hanger off. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my tassel here. Put some more glue here. Put this tassel right smack in the middle. Like that. Hold that in place. There's a little bit of loose thread over here. I'll pop that in as well. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to carefully roll it up. And then from time to time, I will re-glue. Just put some glue in up there, roll it up. When I get to the very end, take this here. Okay, and there's our tassel. Now you can use it just like that, hang it on something if you like, or you can decorate it some more. Pull out all the threads. And to decorate mine, I'm just going to glue a button on the front. And it's done.